why should a student come to Miami? And I can answer this from experience, having been here as an undergraduate student. And I say this frequently to our interested students. We are big enough, we got all the cool toys. We got metabolic carts, we got wet labs. If you come here and you get involved in research, you might see me doing a muscle biopsy, or we're doing blood draws, and we're going into the lab and you're helping me process those and write up papers or do presentations for those. But we're small enough that it's actually you that can get involved with the faculty member for that. The majority of students that I work with in research, if I look at the composition of my research teams, it's usually 80% or more of them are undergraduate students than a few graduate students. If you look at larger state schools, there's going to be a fleet of postdocs, doctoral students, and master students between you and your ability to get a real hands-on experience with the faculty member. So I always refer to us as kind of like the Goldilocks zone for students. So we really do have an outstanding undergraduate department, and our majors are great. We have classes like many other universities, but you're able to get engaged with our faculty more than you can at larger state schools.